Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. So school start later in the morning. Many students have to wake up very early to go to school. Some students feel sleepy and tired in the morning. But starting school later is really the best solution. Today we have to side, the pro side and the contra side. Let's hear their opinion. So, what do you think? Should school start later in the morning?
In my opinion, school should start later because students need enough sleep. Many teenagers don't get enough sleep because they have homework, activities, and other responsibilities. If school starts too early, makes students feel so very sleepy in class. I think students can learn better are well rested.
I agree with that. Another reason is concentration. When students are taught, it can be difficult to listen and to the teacher and understand the lesson. They may also lose motivation to study. If school starts later, students may feel more fresh and focused. They can participate more actively in class. So starting longer is not only about sleeping longer. It can also help students become more ready to learn.
I understand the pro side, but I don't completely agree. If school starts later, students will probably finish school later too. This can reduce the time for homework, sport activities, extracurricular activities, or spending time with family. For example, some students have activities after school. If they finish school later too, they may not have enough time for those activities. So, students starting later can create another problem. Students might have less time in the afternoon. I also have another concern, a later school schedule. My active family. Some parents have to go to work and early in the morning. They might have a fixed schedule. So taking their children to school later could be difficult. Transportation can also be a problem. Students who use public transportation might need to change their usual schedule. So changing school hours is not only about students. We also have to think about parents and transportation.
Okay, but have good point. But I have a question for both sides. If students are to train in the morning, is not it better to start later?
Yes, I think so. Students need enough sleep to stay healthy and focused.
That's true. But starting later is not the only solution. Students can also manage their time better and sleep earlier.
That's good point. But why if students are already sleep early and still have to wake up very early?
In situations, starting school a little school helps students would have more time to rest.
I agree that rest is important, but school should also consider parent transportation and students' activities.
It seems that both sides agree on one thing: sleep and rest are important for students. However, starting school later also has some disadvantages, especially for families, transportation, and student activities.
After listening to both sides, I think school can start a little later, but not too late. The school should find a balanced schedule that gives students enough time to rest will still giving them enough time for their activities.
I agree. There is no perfect answer, but the most important thing is finding a schedule that supports student learning, health, and daily activities. Thank you. That's all from our podcast. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.